One day, standing up from a low chair requires a sudden push with your arms. A few months later, walking up a single flight of stairs leaves your quadriceps burning. Gradually, your walking pace slows down and daily balance feels slightly less stable. Most adults dismiss these physical changes as the inevitable, harmless price of growing older. But clinical physiology paints a far more urgent picture. This progressive loss of strength is a serious metabolic condition known as sarcopenia, the silent, age-related wasting of skeletal muscle mass and functional power. Your legs contain the largest and most metabolically active muscle groups in your entire body. Starting at age 50, your fast-twitch muscle fibers begin to atrophy at an accelerated rate. When your lower body loses strength, your balance degrades, your metabolic rate crashes, and your biological independence is placed at immediate risk. Clinical studies consistently demonstrate that lower body muscle density is one of the strongest independent predictors of all-cause mortality and biological longevity in adults over 50. Exercise is essential, but movement alone cannot rebuild tissue if your cells lack the exact biochemical raw materials to synthesize new muscle fibers. In today's protocol, we are decoding the exact nutritional science of lower body muscular longevity, revealing 6 bioactive superfoods clinically proven to overcome age-related muscle decline, restore neuromuscular signaling, and maintain powerful, steady legs well past your 80s and 90s. To rebuild your lower body after age 50, you must first understand why standard nutrition stops working. In younger adults, consuming even small amounts of protein easily triggers muscle repair. But as you pass your 5th decade, your physiology develops a condition called anabolic resistance. Your aging muscle cells become desensitized to dietary amino acids. If you consume small, fragmented amounts of protein throughout the day, your body simply burns those amino acids for energy rather than using them to rebuild weakened leg fibers. To break through this resistance, you must activate a specific cellular engine inside your muscle tissue called the mTOR pathway, mechanistic target of rapamycin. The mTOR pathway is the master genetic switch that commands your body to cease muscle breakdown and begin active protein synthesis. However, this switch remains completely dormant until your bloodstream detects a critical concentration of a specific essential amino acid. Unless your meals cross what clinicians call the Leucine Threshold, your leg muscles remain in a catabolic, wasting state. Furthermore, leg strength is not solely about muscle fibers, it is governed by the neuromuscular junction. Every time you take a step, climb stairs, or correct your balance, your central nervous system must send rapid electrical impulses down motor nerves to your leg muscles. This communication depends entirely on neurotransmitters like acetylcholine and precise intracellular electrolyte gradients. When your diet lacks the specific micronutrients required to fuel this nervous system pathway, the signal degrades. The muscle fibers do not fire in unison, leading to muscle weakness, tremors, and slow reaction times. Agent number 1 is whole pastured eggs. If clinical nutritionists were forced to select a single whole food to reverse sarcopenia, whole eggs would stand at the top of the list. Eggs provide the highest biological value of any whole food protein, delivering all 9 essential amino acids in the exact ratio required by human skeletal muscle. Crucially, 2 to 3 whole eggs deliver the precise dosage of leucine needed to cross the leucine threshold and switch on the mTOR pathway. Discarding the yolk is a critical mistake. The yolk contains dense concentrations of choline, the direct precursor to acetylcholine, the exact neurotransmitter your brain relies on to fire your leg muscles during movement. Furthermore, egg yolks provide bioavailable vitamin D3 and healthy lipid carriers that support natural steroid hormone production, reinforcing muscle repair while you rest. Agent number 2 is wild-caught Alaskan salmon. Wild salmon provides a potent, dual-action biological benefit for aging lower body musculature. First, it delivers dense, easily digestible marine protein, rich in branched-chain amino acids. Second, wild salmon is one of the most concentrated natural sources of long-chain omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA. As we age, systemic low-grade inflammation, known as inflammaging, acts as a continuous biological corrosive, degrading muscle proteins and impairing recovery. Omega-3 fatty acids incorporate directly into the phospholipid membranes of your muscle cells. Clinical trials demonstrate that this structural integration downregulates inflammatory cytokines such as interleukin-6, while simultaneously enhancing the muscle's sensitivity to circulating amino acids, directly combating anabolic resistance. Agent number 3 is Hass avocados. Muscle contraction and flexibility are strictly governed by cellular voltage. Inside every muscle fiber in your quadriceps and calves, the sodium-potassium pump must maintain a constant electrical charge to allow smooth contraction and rapid relaxation. Hass avocados deliver more bioavailable potassium per gram than bananas, without the associated high glycemic sugar spike. Potassium works synergistically with the dense magnesium found in avocados to displace intracellular calcium after a muscle contracts. When magnesium and potassium are depleted, leg muscles remain locked in low-grade microspasms, leading to daytime stiffness and painful nocturnal calf cramps. The monounsaturated oleic acid in avocados also supports microvascular blood flow, ensuring oxygen reaches deep peripheral muscle beds. Agent number 4 is deep pigment berries. Wild blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries provide concentrated doses of anthocyanins and quercetin, potent plant flavonoids that target mitochondrial integrity. Your leg muscles contain high concentrations of slow-twitch, endurance-focused muscle fibers that rely entirely on cellular energy produced by mitochondria. Oxidative stress generated during daily walking can damage these cellular powerhouses, leaving your legs feeling heavy, fatigued, and slow to recover. The polyphenols in dark berries cross the cellular barrier, neutralizing reactive oxygen species within muscle tissue and upregulating endothelial nitric oxide synthase. This widens local capillaries, increasing blood flow and flushing metabolic waste products out of your lower limbs. Agent number 5 is roasted sweet potatoes. While protein rebuilds the physical structure of muscle, your leg muscles require a clean, sustained reservoir of fuel known as intracellular glycogen. When muscle glycogen is depleted, your nervous system perceives localized exhaustion, directly impairing balance and gait mechanics. Sweet potatoes are an exceptional source of slow-digesting complex carbohydrates that restore muscle glycogen without triggering rapid blood glucose or insulin spikes. They are exceptionally rich in beta-carotene, provitamin A, a powerful antioxidant that accelerates the repair of microscopic muscle tears caused by daily activity, reducing post-movement soreness and keeping connective tendons pliable. Agent number 6 is sprouted rolled or steel-cut oats. Oats provide an ideal combination of sustained, slow-release polysaccharides and functional soluble fiber known as beta-glucan. Beta-glucans stabilize postprandial blood sugar, preventing the energy crashes that cause mid-afternoon lower body weakness. Furthermore, whole oats deliver essential trace minerals, particularly iron and magnesium. Iron is the core atom of myoglobin, the specialized oxygen-binding protein located directly inside skeletal muscle tissue. Adequate myoglobin ensures that your leg muscles maintain a continuous supply of oxygen during sustained walking, stair climbing, or standing. Maintaining strong, capable legs throughout your entire life requires a consistent, structured protocol. Your biology responds to daily nutritional inputs. Here is the official Apex Lower Body Longevity Blueprint. First, prioritize the leucine threshold in your morning meal. Consume 2 to 3 whole pastured eggs paired with half an avocado. This combination supplies the 30 grams of bioavailable protein, leucine, choline, and healthy fats needed to activate the mTOR pathway and prime your neuromuscular firing for the day. Second, incorporate wild-caught salmon into your diet 2 to 3 times per week. This ensures a consistent supply of anti-inflammatory EPA and DHA to keep muscle cell membranes pliable and highly responsive to amino acid uptake. Third, fuel your active hours with clean, slow-burning glycogen sources. Pair roasted sweet potatoes or sprouted steel-cut oats with a cup of fresh dark berries to protect muscle mitochondria and support continuous microcirculation. Finally, combine this targeted nutrition with consistent, progressive physical movement. Simple bodyweight sit-to-stands, heel raises, and daily brisk walking provide the mechanical stimulus that directs these nutrients straight into your lower body muscle fibers. Sarcopenia is not an unavoidable fate. When you supply your neuromuscular system with targeted amino acids, essential electrolytes, and clean cellular fuel, your legs retain the capacity to remain strong, stable, and resilient at any age. If you found this clinical breakdown valuable, hit the like button right now, share this video with someone who wants to maintain their strength and independence, and subscribe to Apex Longevity for more evidence-based biological blueprints. Take control of your biology, stay disciplined, and we will see you in the next protocol.